Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, all month long I've showed you how I pulled this home together. So come with me as I take you through my home for Christmas 2018.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Okay, so let's start in the entryway. So, I have a few shelves in here that I like to dress up for the Christmas season. This year, I was crazy about doing everything symmetrical. So over here on this cabinet, what I did was I took two metal Christmas trees and I centered a snow globe that actually snows all by itself. Then above there, I have my crystal nativity set, which I try to make part of my Christmas decor every single year. So this year, to bring in the symmetry, I got these two white angels and they are so beautiful. And then just to bring in some glitz, not saying that they're not already glitzy enough, I found this gold angel hair that was from Canterbury Gardens, and what I did was I made it into sort of a base for the nativity set just to add a little bit more sparkle. Over here on this side, I have a little bit more height to play with over here. So what I did was I kept the mirror here that is here all year long. I got some taller metal Christmas trees and put those on either side. I put my favorite crystal Christmas tree in the center and two of my favorite crystal reindeer that I got from Canterbury Gardens. Then what I did just to bring in the color scheme is I hung my clear ball ornaments that have the diamond ornament enhancers on top of them, and I hung them from blue satin ribbon. But do you see how every section in here is symmetrical? That's a good way to decorate places but not make it feel crazy and overloaded with different Christmas decorations. So now why don't we go into the main living space and see what I did there. So when you walk in, one of the first things that you see is my TV cabinet right here. I made a video on how I did this beautiful Christmas garland for this year. Now down below here, I added a couple of my blue and white Christmas plates. And what I really love about this is it focuses a lot on my family. Each one of these plates is dated for my mom, my dad, and my first Christmas. So I put my parents' two plates over here, and then mine is over here. Then I wanted to add a little bit of movement to this. So of course I brought in my favorite TV that I used last year. It gives a little bit of that vintage feel to it, and I think that the village scene that's inside of that goes very well with these plates also. On top, again, to bring in symmetry, I put this deer picture. I put reindeer antler candle holders on either side of the picture just to frame that. So now coming over here, this area has a lot of my favorite things in it. I love, of course, the angel with the falling snowflakes. I love all of the pillows. They're so crisp and so fresh looking. I love the centerpiece that I just recently did a video on. The key to not making this look like just a hot mess of Christmas stuff is to coordinate everything. So what I've done is I've coordinated my Christmas lanterns with my pillows, with this setting, with these pillows, with my centerpiece, and of course with my Christmas tree. So now let's talk about wall decor. Over here I have my joy letters with my reindeer with probably the shiniest antlers in the world. And it was a lot of fun. Now you might want to know where to put the cord whenever you're trying to electrify this. Well, if you've seen my past videos, my trick is I always go up to the ceiling and go across the wall. And I can assure you nobody ever sees it. And then over here on this wall, I usually have a quilt hanging off of this, but I thought it would be fun just to do a couple Christmas wreaths, again with the blue ribbon that I've used throughout my home. Now this Christmas tree, I really love how it turned out. I love the white and the blue and the silver. I love the woodsiness of it. I love the glam of it. Now a lot of you guys have seen the video on how I decorated this Christmas tree. I really hope that that video gave you a lot of good tips and made it easier to complete your Christmas decorating this year. I love this chain that I got from Canterbury Gardens, along with a ton of glitzy Christmas ornaments that are on this tree, but still keeping the woodsiness feel in this tree with owls There's a fox in here, and pine cones are scattered throughout this Christmas tree, as well as in the tree topper and hanging from the ceiling on either side. Now, a lot of the ornaments and decorations that I used on this Christmas tree were from Canterbury Gardens. Then over here on this chair, I just decided to put this little polar bear. He is so soft. And he also has a buddy over here that we have not seen in a while. This is a reindeer that I used my first Christmas theme that I ever put on YouTube. And of course, just to tie them in, they both have the blue velvet bows. Right, that is everything that I have for you today. I hope you guys loved it. I hope you got inspired. Please, if you have Instagram, use the hashtag Jay's Holiday Wonderland because I want to see what you created for this year. Also, I've been getting a lot of comments from people that are around the world. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know, where are you guys from? Now, just because I showed you my home tour, that does not mean that I'm finished with Christmas videos. All month long in December, every week, I'm going to show you some different DIY projects that you can do that can be gifts for Christmas, you can keep for yourself, or they could be just last minute things that you need to complete your decor for Christmas 2018. All right, I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for coming by, and Merry Christmas.